In today's video, I'll teach you how to create an account on realestate.com.au. First of all, what you have to do is launch open realestate.com.au application on your device. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Real Estate application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the search interface. What you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now over here, you'll be able to find two options: sign in, join. If you already have the account, tap on the option sign in and you'll be able to log in to your account. If you want to create the account for yourself, tap on this option, join. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the browser. You'll be able to create the account for yourself. You can create the account using the email address, or you can also continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple if you want. Tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. Now after you enter the email address, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here a verification code will be sent to your email. Simply open Gmail on your device. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Tap on the email sent by realestate.com.au. Now in this email, you'll be able to find the verification code. You can copy this code if you want, or you can also memorize it. Now once you do that, go back to the Real Estate application. Now enter the verification code over here and tap on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here your real estate account will easily be created. So that is how you create an account on realestate.com.au. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.